Okay, so now I just wanted to quickly go over doing a MAKE2D of your section perspective that you've been working on. I'm gonna go to the view that I had saved. So I'm gonna open up my name view panel, which is not coming. Here it is. My name view panel. I'm gonna go over to the one that I like. Double click on it here that I made from before. And I mean, I think I could do a lot more modeling with this, adding windows and punch throughs and deleting columns and adding and things like that. But just in the interest of time, and a lot of folks probably know how to do stuff like that already, I'm just going to do a MAKE2D of this. And just do a little line work here. So select everything here, do MAKE2D. Right, so I'm going to keep the current view, show the hidden lines. I'm going to have maintain source layers saved, so all of my layering organization doesn't go to waste. Visible lines, I'm just going to call lines. And then hidden lines, I'm just going to call hidden. And then as you can see now, we're going to get a bunch of new layers here. Hidden lines here with all of the different things separated out, and then hidden ones with all of them separated out. That's going to be very helpful for us. So I'm going to go to zoom selected in top view. I'm going to move this over. I like to be precise. I'm going to move it over. Let's see, move. I'm going to move it over 500 feet. Just because I like to be precise with that. Okay. So now we can kind of play around with some of this. I think what I'm going to start by doing is maybe just hatch these areas over here. I'm going to take all the hidden lines and just shut them off for a moment. And then I am just going to create a new layer up here. I'm going to call it hatch. I'm going to put it on even. I'm going to put it on top. You know what? I'll put it under the hidden lines. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. All right. And let's make that something nice. Why can't I select? Let's see here, what's going on? Oh, sorry, it's over here. So for colors, I'm gonna select hatch. Nobody can see it because it's been moved over here. Select hatch. I'm gonna make it, I don't know, let's make it that color. Right. I'm gonna make sure I'm on my hatch layer, and then I'm gonna add some hatches where things have been cut. There. Go, and then ask me what pattern I want. We can play around with the scale here. We can make it change the rotation if we want. For now, I'm just gonna do solid. I'm cool with that. I don't even think I want a boundary. Oops, let's actually leave that. I don't know what just happened. Oh. Sorry, we did. Okay. Let's select those again. It's done. Don't know why. Select the curves in the area. Good. Right, do it again over here. Initiate the hatch. I'm going to select the curves in the area, but I'll just select the ones that I want inside here to be hatched and do OK. Right, and they're all appearing here. So I can switch them on and off because I have this layer. I'm creating them on this layer. So this time, over here, select over there, there. And again, you should play around with these and figure out sort of which hatches you want to use, etc. Another thing we can do before we move to Illustrator that Lucas had mentioned, which is finding horizon line, or sorry, the vanishing point. And one way to do that is just by using the extend command. So I'm just going to draw a line somewhere over here, which we'll delete later, one over here, and let's just extend some of these lines out, find out where that vanishing point is. I'm going to type in the extend command, use this as a boundary, and then just type that guy, and then extend command again. Now use this one as a boundary, that guy. We do that, and now we see this point right here is probably where our vanishing point is. Right, so I'm going to get rid of these bits over here using the trim command. Now we just got a little X right there. Oh, actually, no, we lost some of these ones up here. So let's not do that. Instead, we'll just remember that the bottom of that line is our vanishing point, then we can trim the rest of these out. Getting rid of some of these ones. Right, we'll remember the bottom of that as our vanishing point. So we can use that to even draw some extra lines in here. Like, let's just say we wanted to make a little ribbon window up here. Right, so we can come up here to our top volume section, and then just we remember that that was the vanishing point. If we can draw a little ribbon window in here, like this. Be nice, right? Try the same thing over here, right? Have the polyline command, start from there, then I come all the way up here. And then trim out the extra bits. So you can start to add some interior lines over here in the same way. Start from the bottom here, because that's where our vanishing point is. Maybe that becomes a window over there. And then we can trim out the bits that we don't need, right? So we can use this bottom point of the vanishing point line right there to sort of add more details to this. Okay, so try doing a MAKE2D with your model and then adding in some hatch where you added the thicknesses before, and then find where the vanishing point is using the lines that MAKE2D has created, and see if you can add some more detail right here in Rhino.